What's up, Daddy King? Man, what's up with y'all, man? Hey, man, listen, man. As y'all about to see, man, it was one hell of a meetup at the RGG meetup, man. Regular gun guy had a meetup, man. Hey, shout out to him for doing that event. Hey, dog. But look, hey, I'm gonna tell everybody I met out there, John, all the supporters, everybody that's on YouTube, the things like that, the YouTubers, man. Hey, appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? And it was nice meeting every single one of y'all. You know what I mean? That shit was dope as hell. That range was dope as shit, man. Y'all gonna see all this shit, man. Listen, shit was like that. Y'all know I'm back in the truck with it. Finally got to get to the video and everything like that, man, to actually start editing and putting things together. Y'all already know what it is, man. And make sure y'all also subscribe to my podcast page. It's link in the description down below. I have a podcast. And, you know, it's called The Strip. It's self-explanatory about strip clubs, strippers, things like that. Come on that, Joe. Come talk that shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how I get down there. Come in that shit, man. Follow me on Instagram. You already know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, though, man, you know what I'm saying? That shit was great. That shit was straight, though. Shit was real cool. You know, hey, listen, I shot with one gun the whole entire day. You know what I'm saying? It was a lot of still competition shooting out there. You know what I'm saying? Black Rainbow had challenged me to this little far shot. That shit was funny as hell. That shit was far as shit. Like, hands shaking like shit, because that shit was far as hell. Man, it was a good-ass day out there, John, man. For all those who didn't make it, man, listen, man, make sure I make the next one with any other meetup, because this shit be dope, bro. You know what I'm saying? This shit was dope as hell, bro. You know what I'm saying? But to keep y'all in the loop, man, my bad for not dropping the party like 3 weeks. I think it was like 3 weeks now. Or whatever, man. I be busy. I be trying to get these videos to y'all, and I try to make sure all my stuff is like good content. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like sometimes, like, I don't want to feel like the shit kind of get like the same a little bit. So I kind of don't want to make shit the same. I want that shit to be different every time. So I kind of take my time, and when I get time, I'm like, all right, we're gonna do this type of video. You know what I'm saying? Something different I never did. And also, it was a video that I was supposed to drop like probably last week, which I forgot. I thought I had it scheduled to drop, and it never dropped. That was my fault. But that video gonna drop soon too. So it's gonna be after y'all see this video right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. It's about the Ross 47, AK-47, all black gun. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all tune in to that. But I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and tune in. Make sure y'all enjoy it. Smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all comment, share the video. And y'all already know what it is, man. They gang, you dig what I'm saying, man? Let's get right into the video, man. Let's go, man. What's up, Daddy Gang? Man, what's up with y'all, man? Hey, check it, man. As y'all see, man, we out here at the RG meetup, man. Go ahead and turn that show right there, man. Showing the meetup and everything. They already shooting and everything like that. We've been shooting. I forgot to do this for y'all. I'm sorry, man. But look, I ain't gonna hold y'all up on this intro. I want y'all to see all the shooting footage we got going on right now. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn up notifications along. Y'all already know what it is, man. Daddy Gang, you know what I'm saying, man? Get right to the video, man. Let's go, man.
Second to pick that up again. So you had a good run there, man. All right, shooters ready. Stand by.
Yeah, I've never done this before.
You got it. First time you're shot. He shot that. Stand by. Stand by.
Oh yeah, I will see y'all.
Stand by.
Yeah, that's nice,
Out here with that boy.
Dude, we back at it again with it.
Yeah, but we ain't gonna compete today. We gonna have some fun, man.
Yeah,
you know what I'm
already
saying? Handle it for me. You got one that's hard. Hey. Yeah, down. To the left, yeah. To the left over there. Yeah, way to go. One time. After that, everything was like this.
I'm a shoot.
Hey, twist it. He goes for another one. You hit it one time. I hit it one time before. That low. That low. We both hit that low when I was. I just need two shots out one man. I just need two hits out one man on the little target. Now you go to the line. All the way to the line. You go closer. There you go. Give me 2 hits on it and you got it, dog. I only hit it once. I was shaky all day.
He got big fish.
Tell me if you hit that low. Hard down there. Go. Now get that one time, man. I'm gonna put my camera on.
I don't get it. Band-Aids there on his business.
I'll go get it.
Okay.
All right. Oh, this shit crazy down there.
Watch, I'm getting a jet that way. You want to ejaculate? What?
Got it. You got one. You got it. All right. Got it. You got one. You got it. Hey.
It's got a hydraulic button. It's smooth though. Yeah, that's all that matters. Stand by.
Stand by.